You have your full lace top, so you can go ahead and part that any direction that you want. I am here with quite the treat for you today. I have Sophia from UniWigs. This is 100% Burmese Remy human hair. You have 16 inches. This is 110% density. I opened this up and I was like, this is exactly in my color wheelhouse. So the color is 521R Rooted Chocolate Truffle, and it's absolutely stunning. You have that rooting, which I think helps the piece look so realistic, and you have those chocolate warm tones. Okay, so let me give you a 360 of this. So you have my left side, the back, look at how nice that hair moves, my right side, and we're back to the front. So Burmese hair will dry with, like, once you wash it, and it air dries with a natural wavy texture. So it's gonna require a little bit more work on your end to style if you don't want that air dry texture. But look at how beautiful this is. So I will point out, Sophia, with all other UniWig styles, comes with a transparent lace front. I have left it a bit on the longer side. I could trim that further to the hairline, or some ladies put makeup on. I will point out, so Sophia features lightly bleached knots. And what I do see here, the lace appears to run like temple to temple. I have a lower hairline. So what I could do in this instance, I don't typically wear my hair back a lot. So some ladies will come in and blend their own hair here at the sides. And remember, I left the lace longer, so there would be less lace here. Or some ladies will put dark shadow here on the sides, kind of just to avoid that lace being visible. Okay, so Sophia runs small/medium, and it fits circumferences from 21.25 to 21.75. Now I'm a 21 and it fits me well. I still feel I can do that really comfortable ear tuck. I'll show you in just a bit. But you have your adjusters if you need to tighten or loosen. You have your closed wefted back. You have your ear tabs, and you have clips on the sides if you want to clip your hair in for extra security. You have your full lace top, so you can go ahead and part that any direction that you want. Let me just show you how easy it is to throw on a wig if you're intimidated and haven't started yet. So after looking at the cap, I think the lace might run ear to ear. I just have a lower hairline, and again, the lace isn't trimmed there. So once that lace is trimmed further back, it won't be as visible there on the sides. Let me show you that ear tuck that I was talking about. So I need to be able, I'm an ear tucker, I need to be able to tuck my ear. So having a 21 circumference, I am able to wear this size small/medium. So if you're more petite, don't let that deter you, because my ear to ear is an 11, I believe. And we have that effortless ear tuck. So huge fan of Sophia, really liking this one. As always, if you have any questions, comment.